today, the UN Secretary General had a very expansive discussion with the External Affairs Minister, Srimati Sushma Swaraj. India is engaged with the United Nations on a wide array of issues, and therefore the discussions covered several topics. Among these were the United Nations peacekeeping operations, matters relating to climate change and environment, growing global concerns on terrorism, the United Nations Security Council reform, and the United Nations Development Agenda. Our External Affairs Minister did mention that the 70th anniversary of the UN, which will be celebrated this year, would be an appropriate occasion for the member states to try and renew an organization which increasingly is being perceived as not being able to act in terms of peace and security. The government of India is taking the visit of is looking forward to the visit of President Obama with great enthusiasm. Yesterday, when Secretary of State Kerry was in Gandhinagar, he had a meeting with Prime Minister, during which there was a discussion on various elements, including elements relating to the agenda of the visit. However, at this stage, this is a work in progress. We are going to have further discussions in terms of what would be the outcomes of that visit. But make no mistake that both India and the US look at this as a landmark visit.